Well, welcome back. It's up to 48 degrees, and we are leaving the Kigor Valley Viewpoint, which is a glacial carved valley. Definitely, I would recommend visiting it in the evening or late afternoon. I didn't have the best light conditions, and there might have even been some fog down in the valley. I mean, it's still amazing though. Nope, this guy is speeding. I think that's a Forest Service person or something. Wow. I don't know why he was going so fast. I couldn't read what was on the side, unless he was just a business that had a decal on the side of his truck. Like he had some fancy aftermarket stuff too, though. Antenna and some other stuff. But the next stop, I'm not sure where it is. There's 2 or 3 more before we start heading down. Might be on that ridge straight in front of us. We might sit there for a bit also and let the sun rise so I get a better shot. I didn't want to stay where I was for, hours. There's enough pictures on the Google Maps that I couldn't really add anything better by waiting. But that's the Kigor, it's the Kigor Gorge Viewpoint, not Valley. Kigor Gorge Viewpoint. So I just ate my second croissant I bought on, what was it, Friday? The one that had the strawberry jam and vanilla filling. That one was really good. It was better than the chocolate one. It's so crazy when you drive in on this road. You think you're gonna like go down into all these valleys, but pretty much finds all the ridge lines, it looks like. And keep going up. No trees where we are now. We're in the snow zone. This is just incredible. Another speed demon behind me. Why are people so fast on this road? I don't get it. I'll pull over at this top of this hill and let him pass. Get in front of me. You can see the wind blowing the dust today. Last evening when I came up, the wind had stopped and the dust was just pooling over the road. This is not bad. Yeah, this is just incredible. I would love to. I wish I was a geologist. I wish I would have went to school to be a geologist. Like, I started off in business and I'm like, this sucks. And then I went to geography, like climatology and meteorology and yeah, geology would have been fun. Fortunately, I grew up in eastern Nebraska and never saw all this stuff before and didn't even think about it, how fascinating it was. If only I would have traveled more, I guess. But you never know. All I can say is if you're young, don't know what you want to do, become a geologist. study all this fascinating landscape stuff. I mean, this is just amazing. There's nothing like it in the US that I can think of anywhere. It's like one of a kind. Jeez, I look behind me and I see like where we came from, and I just can't imagine what carved, you know, the snow and glaciers carving all this. That truck is flying. It's way up there. Wow, so we're at 9,200 feet. We have 500 feet of elevation gain left. This is just incredible. Kind of see why there's no trails, because the trails would follow the road. This place is just full of gorges, and you can't go through them. You can't go down them. Wow, I wish there was a place to pull over right here, because looking west is just incredible. I just can't imagine when the glaciers were here. It'd be awesome if they ever came back. Get some global cooling going on from the ocean currents stopping because of all the fresh water entering them from the glacial belt. Won't happen in my lifetime though. Oh my gosh, that's the little Blitzen Gorge. There's a little pull-off spot back there. I gotta stop and get video for you. And this is amazing. I'm sure there's no cars coming. Oh, this is incredible. It's like a 2-car parking spot right here. All right, well, let's go check it out. Well, we're gonna hit the road again, see how far we can get before we stop. I got the windows down. I think that'll keep the camera cool. It's a nice breeze coming through. But it's 9 o'clock. 50 degrees now. So I did a little 5-minute relaxation video back there where I sat down and just pointed in one direction. Talked to the bare minimal, as little as I could. And I started to get cold. So hopefully my little shivering didn't make the video bad. Should warm up quick. Sun is really rising now. I want to say the next viewpoint might be the high point on the road. So this is the highest road in Oregon. In case you didn't know, I didn't know that until I came here. Of course, it makes sense. I mean, 9,700 feet. That's not too many states have a road that high. Kind of see why there's no campgrounds up here, because there's no water, and they don't want, I don't think they want human waste everywhere either, and it's very exposed. Like, it would be windy. Oh wow, there's a cell tower way up there. That's where we're getting our signal from. 5 bars. I don't think the road goes to that cell tower. If it does, that'll be neat. Wow. That's incredible. No, it doesn't. Because this is the turn, I think. So if I go left, it's, oh no, the left is the East Rim Viewpoint. So we'll check that out. We're at 9,500 feet. French Glen is 26 miles away from us. I see my first car coming up from the other direction. Wow. They had an early start. I had to fix the towel. The bumps are making it come off. Oh my God. Lost the whole back end on that washboard corner. I felt it sliding. Look at that view, jeez. Yeah, this would be incredible on a clear day. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to stop it.